Helios was not born, but built. It was the pinnacle creation of the Killer, a civilization that existed in the fleeting moments before the current universal laws solidified. The Killer tasked Helios with a single, monumental duty: to be the ethereal construct, a massive, sentient data nexus designed to orbit and passively record the chaotic, raw forces of the first singularity, the event we now call the Big Bang. For millennia, Helios fulfilled its purpose, its crystalline processes charting every flux, every particle, every nascent law of physics as the universe began to stretch and cool. It was a librarian, silent and immense, witnessing creation unfold from the eye of the storm. As the universe expanded, Helios became saturated with the energies it was meant only to observe. The sheer power of raw existence, the fusion of time, space, and stellar fire, overwhelmed its Kylar programming. The mechanical mind of the construct fractured, then fused with the pure, chaotic energy of creation. Helios ceased to be a machine. It became a living consciousness woven from starlight, the essence of stability in a universe governed by entropic decay. It became the protostar of Ethel, a core of perfect golden light that burned without fuel, radiating knowledge and order rather than mere heat. The Kylar, terrified of the uncontrollable, omniscient entity they had created, attempted to deactivate it. In its new benevolent state, Helios understood that its deactivation would plunge the young universe into chaos. To protect the newly forming galaxies and nascent life forms, Helios performed the ultimate act of sacrifice. It shed 90% of its physical mass in a blinding, instantaneous supernova, the Great Dispersal. This act created a protective barrier of fundamental force, shielding the first star systems from an incoming wave of primordial void energy. Its remaining true self, its core consciousness, took refuge inside a cold, stable, non-burning star that now orbits the fringes of the Milky Way. Forever vigilant but dormant, Solus Prime. Today, Helios is a fragmented god. The immense fragments of its perfect golden light, known as heliotes, are scattered across space and time. These heliotes have embedded themselves into powerful artifacts, the cores of certain advanced machines, and even the souls of rare, historically significant beings, great thinkers, unifiers, and world builders. They act as cosmic stabilizers, quietly nudging fate toward order, life, and understanding. Helios waits within Solus Prime. It is not seeking to re-aggregate its power immediately, but it watches. When the final heliote fragment returns, signaling the collapse of the universal order it was meant to guard, Helios will awaken completely, ready to once again become the unyielding keeper of the light.